So you might be very familiar with Microsoft Teams with setting up a meeting where you have to go to a specific calendar in Teams that looks like this. And it can be a pain juggling the two different calendars you have in Teams and Microsoft. And I have good news. You don't actually have to do that. You can use your Microsoft Teams ability to set up a video call inside of your Outlook, and it's very simple and easy to do. All you do is open your calendar inside of Outlook, and in the top corner up here, you're going to see this button. Click that, and that is going to allow you to set up a video call inside of Teams by using the Outlook calendar to make your life so much easier. I know when I learned about it, it literally blew my mind because I was juggling two different calendars. It makes things easier, quicker, more proficient, and I hope that tip can help save you a little bit of a headache. As always, if you have any questions about video conferencing or struggles you might be having as a company working virtually these days, feel free to reach out to us. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I appreciate as always for hanging out for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I will see you next time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.